So one thing I actually find pretty darn helpful when it comes to working with completions, LLMs, AI, etc. So there's a lot of times where I will have it basically copy some code but restructure it. And so my goal is to get it to restructure it for me. And so in this case, for example, I've got this code here. Let's say I want this to become a function. Well, one way I could go about this here would be to literally just start typing in a function here. And then I could give this a name here, maybe get fim file, and I think it was contents. If I do that much here, come down a line here, let's see if I can get it to something like return tokens dot prefix, the fim prefix here. All right. And then, yeah, you can see it's now proposing here. Maybe I'll come down a line here to get it to propose the way I want it. Yeah, there you go. You can see it's proposing to copy the lines there that I want from down below. And I think I'll take just about that much right here. Let's see, did it get everything? Yep, it looks like it got everything, but I don't want to just trust that it got everything. So at first I'm going to reformat here. And then I have this plugin that allows me to select and look at visual comparisons or visual matches here. You can see it's matching the very first part of the code down below. So that's good news here. So I really like to use this here because now I've got my selection started. I can just keep moving through my selection and I can make sure that this matches verbatim here. Could even move up and down lines here with the J and K keys here. Could be efficient or inefficient about it. So this allows me to just do a quick check here to make sure it actually copied everything over without me needing to maybe copy both chunks and run it through some diff utility. So I find the two in concert, having an AI or LLM that can be goaded into copying some code to restructure it. Of course, in this case, I could have just literally wrapped this in a function down below. That's pretty easy to see, but there are plenty of cases where you want to move something. It's not quite straightforward. Well, you can get the AI to do it and then follow up with this visual match plugin here to see what exactly matches or what doesn't matches to see if it actually copied everything that you wanted to copy. And if you want to use this plugin here, let me find this here for you. I forget what this is called. I think it's Visimatch or something like that. Yeah, it's Whirly/Visimatch here. I'll bring that out here. Right out here on GitHub. So go grab this plugin. It allows you to select text here. And the neat thing I remember about this one, I've got a video about it too, but the neat thing about this one is it doesn't get all bent out of shape. It doesn't get all bent out of shape if there are white space mismatches. So for example, this is a good case where that might happen. Yeah, you can see this is actually indented one more level than down below here. And so if you were comparing on white space, you wouldn't see a match here, but you do see a match because it's ignoring that white space. And so that's another valuable feature.